devices that may interfere with the team's presentation. In this challenge, teams were asked to bring up to 20 stack items to assemble into a stack that shows off their risk-taking in the stack design. This stack assembly will be completed by the assembly equipment to create a stack of any configuration within the assembly zone. Once the team has signaled to the appraisers that they have completed their stack assembly, the team will use their destruction equipment during stack destruction to destroy the stack. Team, please demonstrate the signal you will use to indicate that your team has finished stack assembly and is ready for stack destruction.
I have better things to do.
To do that?
I have better things to do.
Okay, all right. Teams will earn points based on where the stack items come to rest within the target zones. As a part of this presentation, the story will follow at least one character who lacks something important. Keep your eyes peeled for a wishful scene that expresses this intense desire. But beware, there will also be a frustration point in the story where it seems the character has no way of gaining that important thing. Will they reach their breaking point? Teams were also asked to include 2 team choice elements that show off their interests, skills, and talents. Now, I am pleased to present the bloodthirsty banana slugs from California! The team managers are William and Melissa. The team has given permission for video, but no flashing. So please don't flash them, okay? All right. No flashing. All right. Audience, this is your time. Audience, are you ready? Appraiser, are you ready?
Ready? Snack it up.
Bloodthirsty banana slugs, are you ready?
Let the snacking commence.
Team, you may begin.
Beginning of time, since the first hungry humans ever existed, there have been snacks. And so, snacks are always forever the basis of our thriving economy until...
Mr. President, the economy is failing. We have to bring them in. Please welcome Ms. Hershey, CEO of the Hershey Company. Mr. Welch, CEO of Welch Foods Incorporated. Ms. Goldie, CEO of Goldfish. Mr. Rito, CEO of Frito-Lay. Sir Lucky, CEO of Lucky Charms Cereal, and Miss Peanut, CEO of Planters Nut Company. Welcome to the National Snack Museum. As Secretary of the Treasury, I've gathered you here today to discuss the most dire economic situation we have ever seen. As we look around at the walls of this conference room, I hope you recognize your incredible snack lineage and the duty that you carry to farm city. We desperately need a revolutionary snack to raise us out of this deep hole of recession.
Since the national coffers have run dry, I've taken it upon myself to bring in this brand new and horribly expensive Snack Order 5000. Whatever snack ideas you guys come up with, Madam Secretary will type them in and it'll make them. No need to thank me, of course.
Everyone, let the snacking begin.
Our snack should be shaped like 2 graceful and minimalistic arches, like my Lucky Charms rainbows.
Remember that the health and well-being of our customers is of the utmost importance. Wouldn't we all say so?
Well, certainly, Miss Peanut. That is exactly why our snack needs to be jam-packed full of red food and artificial flavors. Just look at the success of my colorful marshmallows and the Lucky Charms flagship.
I so agree with that. My Jolly Rancher and chocolate brains are just a huge block of flavored sugar, and look how great that's doing. Write that down, Madam Secretary.
Let it be known that the true best snack must have health benefits, such as my trail mix filled with peanuts, cashews, walnuts.
Well, I hate to break it to you, Miss Peanut, but nobody's going to want to eat your health nut rabbit food. Don't you people understand? You want the sugary cereals. Golly, it's so frustrating. You want the sugary cereal, the Lucky Charms, the Cocoa Puffs.
Wait, I'm loving all this open discussion, everyone, but there's no need to be frustrated with one another. Right, Mr. Welch?
Yeah, totally. All we need is some serious sugar content in the snack. That's what will keep the people coming back.
No, you're all wrong. Mr. Welch, your company is awful. Just like your great-great-grandfather's
an art. Drop it.
You monster. And just look what you've done to our snack. It's turning all healthy.
And where's your credibility? Your clothes are all ugly. And your hat is always lopsided. You're not even real
Get
genius.
me out of here. Get me out of here.
Everyone stop! Look at what it's creating. It's not just one snack. All of your contradicting ideas are making a snack stack instead.
What? That is not how I imagine the next Hershey's chocolate. Where's the chocolate?
Oh my goodness, this is an absolute disaster. How am I supposed to tell the president what we're doing? I'm gonna lose my job, everyone.
That's it. I'm leaving. I have better things to do.
Well. Now that everyone's gone, I can finally take care of this rubbish snack stack. Louie, come hither.
Of course, miss. Where would you like me to position the dumpster?
Right there would do just fine. Now that you know what to do, let the distraction begin. That way we can dump all of the pieces of this rotten snack stack into it, and no one will ever find out.
Miss, may I ask what the goal of today's task is that requires such urgency? I was in the midst of preparing your sugar-free, lavender, immune boosting latte.
Louie, as my greatest confidant, I can trust you. Simply cannot allow these foolish, imprudent CEOs to make yet another unhealthy snack packed with simple sugars and preservatives. Oh, great-great-grandfather Peanut, I will make you proud.
Of course, miss. But how do we know that none of the other CEOs will be suspicious of this very big dumpster sitting in the corner of this very empty conference room?
Oh, Louie, no one is so unruly as to search the trash. Even though sugar hyper-fools have no dignity to avoid selling their hands in the garbage.
How intelligent of you, miss. Your brilliance never ceases to amaze me. You approach everything with such ingenuity and undeniable perfection.
Oh, Louie, you understand my thankless fight for proper nutrition. But alas, the rest of them just wouldn't listen. Mrs. Hershey's conscience has been clouded by her chocolate-only diet. Mr. Welch has been in his stupid corporate meetings all day long. Mrs. Goldie and her came in here swooping with her disgust when these salt crackers. Mrs. Dorito's like an airhead, just like her Dorito bags. I just cannot with them.
In the meantime, miss, how was your day?
It was absolutely horrible. The other CEOs belittled my every word. I simply advocated for the health and purity of our consumers, but they refused to reason with me.
The other CEOs are simply jealous. They cannot wish to be as perfect and as exquisite as you do. Speaking of exquisite, your drink is almost ready. How much sugar would you like in your lavender immune boosting chai latte?
Sugar? Sugar? Are you trying to send me to an early grave?
Of course not, miss. I would never wish to harm the very CEO.
I knew I could trust you. You did so well at destroying all those toxic-filled junk. Louis, what is possibly the holdup?
I'm terribly sorry, miss. This task seems to conflict with my daily task.
I thought I taught you better than this. You're supposed to be my #1 assistant. I'm so disappointed in you, Louis.
Would you like any snacks or chai latte?
Probably nitro mix.
And what kind of nuts would you like in that?
My peanuts, my cashews, my walnuts. Anything healthy, but make sure you do not add the sugar. Cannot even imagine that you said that. Anyway, Louis, it's time to go our separate ways, so no one notices that we're together.
The economy is failing. I hope this meeting goes better than yesterday. Ah! The missing snack stack was the last of all our funding and ingredients. Whatever can we do now?
Wait 1 minute. Don't give up all hope just yet. I smell my little Lucky Charms somewhere in this room. This mixture is so very delicious. I wish I could eat this all day long.
Oh my gosh, this is so scrumptious. Hey, why don't we make this our supreme snack instead, like a snack mix.
Brilliant! I wish this will revive our crumbling economy. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Mr. Welch, taste our new snack. What do you think of it?
This is incredible. Charles, we need at least 100 of these.
100. That should revive our crippled economy. Everyone, cause for celebration.